Hello, welcome to Asan Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to combine data from all tables of all worksheets in Power BI. We have weekly sales data. This is the states, the cities, the weekly sales, and these are the weekly quantities for each month. Now let's start in Power BI. Get data from the Excel file. Select any of these tables, transform data. Only one table is selected. We want all of them. In the source, we have everything. We don't need the worksheets. The sheet, we need the define name because for each of this, I have created a name range by the name of cells January, February, March, April, and same thing for quantity. If I select anything, it will select the same name range. So now I will remove the worksheets, only the name range, the define name, and this time only I will get the data of cells only. Filter begins with cells. We need only the name and the data. Don't need the other columns. Right click, remove other columns. And we have name of the tables and the data inside the tables. And I will only transform data for only one table and use the steps used in data transformation for this table. So for that purpose, right click, add as a new query, only one table. Whatever steps I will do in this table, that will I will check the code and will apply in the main table. So I don't need the state. I will get the state at the end, remove, and transform transpose. To get this heading, use first row as header and right click and pivot other columns. Now we have the date, the city, and the value. The city we can rename in new step, or in previous step in place of attribute we can say this city, and this one as sales, and rename this one week ending. So I will get the steps that I have applied here from the advanced editor. From this column, remove columns, Control C, copy, and in main table I will create another column, custom column. You can type anything in custom column. Again, I will paste the code in advanced editor in place of this one, like it says for each of this what should we do. So in place of one, I will put this code in let expression. So inside this let and end, I have the code. Another thing, this column containing the table name is data, and here it is data1. I will put exact correct name to avoid any error. Done. Now we have another table that is formatted correctly. So now don't need for the first two columns, remove columns, and this one has everything, the week ending, city, and the cells. So that is good. No need for this one again, delete. So I will do the same thing for the quantities too. Right click, duplicate, and now in the place of In cells, I will type QTY. Only by changing the quantities, uh, this has changed to quantity. Now in the place of cells, I will type the quantity. So I will combine the data again and rename this to data. Home, merge queries. I will merge both the queries. So a week ending with week ending, cities, control click on city, and click on city we have cells, and quantity we will combine. Click OK, and from this one, for the Houston and the this date, we have this as already. We need the quantity only. I do not take the other columns, only the quantity. This is the quantity. So now select everything, transform, detect, data type. This is the uh, clean data, and I need the state 2. I will make a copy of this one, duplicate, remove everything after steps, delete until end. And this is the state. Only take one of this, and fill down. We need only these two columns. Right click, remove other columns, and promote the header. This is the city, and this is the state. This time I will combine again the data with the state. Merge query, state. I will connect city with city, and from here only I will get the state. Here now we have the state. So if I close and load, this is the data, and in data we have everything. This is the state, this state, this T, sales, quantity, and the week ending. So we can have any visualization for this. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.